Pay attention. This is the stunning footage from the 1994 comet impact on Jupiter. Also the first cosmic event directly observed by humans of a comet impact. This comet, named Shoemaker-Levy 9, is an icy body about 5 kilometers in diameter. It was originally a short-period comet stably orbiting in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, but was later captured by Jupiter's strong gravity. In July 1992, the orbit of the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 came extremely close to Jupiter, only 40,000 kilometers from the top of Jupiter's cloud layer, which is less than Jupiter's western extremity. Subsequently, under Jupiter's tidal forces, it split into 21 large fragments, forming a debris chain 160,000 kilometers long. These fragments orbited Jupiter stably for 2 years. Until July 16, 1994, the first fragment suddenly collided with Jupiter at a speed of 60 kilometers per second, triggering a violent explosion at the moment of impact, creating a rare astronomical spectacle of a comet-Jupiter collision. A dark spot with a diameter of about 8,000 kilometers was created in Jupiter's atmosphere, with ultra-high temperature gases and plumes ejected into the upper atmosphere. The total energy released by this impact reached 40 trillion tons of TNT equivalent to 2 billion Hiroshima atomic bombs detonating simultaneously on Jupiter. Over the following 6 days, the remaining fragments struck the southern hemisphere of Jupiter like precision-guided missiles. When the largest fragment struck, the impact had a force of 6 trillion tons of TNT equivalent, releasing energy equal to 750 times the world's total nuclear arsenal. The resulting gas plume rose to an altitude of 3,000 kilometers, leaving a huge dark spot on Jupiter's surface, larger than the area of Earth. Just imagine, if this comet had not been intercepted by Jupiter and directly headed towards Earth, what would happen? Humanity might face extinction like the dinosaurs that ruled Earth for 160 million years. Jupiter actually blocked an extinction-level disaster that only occurs once every 10 million years. Without Jupiter, the guardian of the solar system, the probability of a celestial body with a diameter of over 1 kilometer impacting Earth will increase by 100 times. The disaster that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs 66 million years ago might occur every 100,000 years, thanks to Jupiter's strong gravitational field, which has cleared 95% of the dangerous bodies in the solar system.